Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech. Are you tired of sluggish performance, bulky desktops, and overpriced machines that never quite deliver what they promise? What if I told you there's a game changer that redefines what a computer can be? Yes, I'm talking about the M4 Mac Mini. And trust me, in 2024, it's the device everyone needs. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it can handle anything you throw at it. Video editing, 3D rendering, app development, or even hardcore gaming. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Apple's M4 Mac Mini has turned this dream into reality. So why is the M4 Mac Mini an absolute must-have? Let's dive in. The M4 chip. Apple Silicon has already been a revolution, but the M4 takes it to a whole new level. With its advanced 3nm architecture, it's not just faster, it's ridiculously fast. We're talking about speeds that make even last year's M2 look like a dinosaur. Apps load instantly. Exporting a 4K video, blink and it's done. Running a virtual machine. You won't even notice it's there. The M4 chip is a multitasking beast, and its efficiency ensures your machine stays cool and quiet, even under heavy workloads. But power isn't just about speed, it's also about efficiency. The M4 Mac Mini consumes less power than ever before. Whether you're an eco-conscious user or just someone looking to save on your energy bill, this device is a win-win. Imagine having desktop-grade performance with the energy footprint of a light bulb. The Mac Mini has always been compact, but Apple's managed to make it even sleeker in 2024. This thing is practically invisible on your desk. Its minimalist, futuristic look fits into any workspace, whether you're in a high-end office or working from your cozy bedroom setup. And don't even get me started on how portable it is. Heading to a friend's house for a collaborative project? Toss it in your bag. Need a powerful machine at a conference? Just plug it in and you're good to go. Here's another reason you'll love the M4 Mac Mini: versatility. It doesn't matter if you're a creative professional, a student, or someone who just wants a seamless computing experience. For video editors and graphic designers, the M4's unified memory architecture ensures you can juggle massive files and demanding software without breaking a sweat. For coders, its compatibility with tools like Xcode and Docker is unmatched. And gamers rejoice with native support for AAA titles and access to services like Apple Arcade. This compact device is surprisingly capable. And let's not forget connectivity. The M4 Mac Mini comes packed with Thunderbolt 5 ports, Wi-Fi 7, and HDMI 2.1. That means faster data transfer, seamless multi-monitor setups. Whatever peripherals you're rocking, this machine has you covered. You're probably thinking all this power and elegance comes with a sky-high cost, right? Wrong. Apple has positioned the M4 Mac Mini as one of the most affordable entry points into their ecosystem. It's the perfect balance of performance and value, making it accessible to everyone. Think about it, why spend thousands on a bulky, outdated desktop when you can have the M Mini? It's future-proof, portable, and powerful. It's not just a computer, it's an investment in your productivity and creativity. So whether you're upgrading from an older Mac or switching from a PC, the M4 Mac Mini is the upgrade you've been waiting for. This isn't just hype, it's a revolution. Don't get left behind in 2024. Make the M4 Mac Mini the centerpiece of your digital life.